Hello everyone. Today we're learning English the delicious way. We'll explore cooking vocabulary, learn when to use some and any, and understand recipe instructions. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about food and follow recipes in English. Let's get started. Let's learn our cooking ingredients. We have vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, and onions. We have proteins like chicken, eggs, and fish. We have dairy like milk, cheese, and butter. And we have staples like rice, bread, and pasta. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Carrot, tomato, onion, chicken, eggs, fish, milk, cheese, butter, rice, bread, pasta. Now, let's learn some in any. Use some in positive sentences. For example, I need some eggs. I want some rice. I have some milk. Use any in negative sentences and questions. For example, I don't have any salt. Do you have any butter? I need any sugar? No, that's wrong. We say, do you have any sugar? This is correct. Remember, some for positive, any for questions and negatives. Let's cook a simple pasta. First, boil the water. Second, add salt to the water. Third, put the pasta in the water. Wait for 10 minutes. Fourth, add some sauce. Finally, mix everything together. Did you understand? The key words are first, second, third, add, boil, mix, and finally. These words help us follow recipes step by step. Now you try. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's correct or wrong. Listen. I have some apples. Correct. Do you have any chicken? Correct. I want any bread. Wrong. We say I want some bread. Great job. You're learning fast. Remember these 3 things. 1. Learn your food vocabulary. 2. Use some in positive sentences and any in questions and negatives. 3. Follow recipe steps in order. Now you can cook and speak English. Keep practicing.